Camburg van. I called my buddy John up, said, John, are you gonna make the meet, man? See, the geek in me, the van geek in me, we had to have a Camburg here. So the lone Camburg here. John will probably get his own video since these Camburg lifts are so rare. There we go.
Next spot we're meeting.
6 more vans, I think.
Yeah.
It's getting out of hand.
I know. We almost don't fit no more. One more roll call before we head to camp. Look at that crew. Great looking crew. Great bunch of people. Look how nice it is out here. It's my buddy John. The only Camburg van at the meet. Headed out right now.